cows are muddy from head to toe.
The cows are muddy from head to toe. Dirt on their hooves everywhere they go.
It's clear that bath time
Old MacDonald takes one look and says,
I roll out the big old
it's clear
wooden
that
tub.
bath time's here today.
Bucket after
He rolls
bucket.
the big old tub outside, fills it up with water, bucket by
Soap.
side. Soap flakes in and oh, what a sight. Bubbles rising, floating so
Coaxed the
bright.
first cow in with hay.
Bubble bath in the barn
Surprised
today.
by all the
Old
bubbles.
MacDonald scrubs the mud away. Cows are splashing, bubbles
I scrub
fly.
her back,
Suds
bubbles
are
flying
floating
high.
up to the sky. EIEIO, bubbles everywhere.
I scrub her back,
EIEIO.
bubbles flying high.
Squeaky clean and fair. He coaxes
Another
the
cow
first
jumps
cow
in,
with hay. She steps in, bubbles
Soon the
surprised
whole
to
herd
play.
joins the
He
fun.
scrubs her back with a big soft brush.
I'm covered in bubbles
Bubbles
too.
flying in the morning
What
rush.
a mess!
Another cow jumps in, splash goes
The
she.
other animals
Soon
peek
the
in,
whole herd
giggling.
wants to be free. Bubbles floating like a party in the air. MacDonald's
Another cow
covered
jumps in,
bubbles in his hair.
Soon the whole herd joins the fun.
Bubble bath in the barn today. Old MacDonald
covered in
scrubs the
bubbles
mud
too.
away. Cows are splashing,
mess.
bubbles fly. Suds are floating up to
I
the sky.
rinse them clean,
EIEIO,
one by
bubbles
one.
everywhere. EIEIO.
Squeaky clean and
Squeaky
shining
clean
bright.
and fair. The other animals peek through the door.
Another cow
Giggling
jumps
loud,
in,
they want
splash.
some more. He rinses
Soon
each
the
cow
whole herd
clean and
joins the fun.
bright. Shiny coats gleaming in
I'm
the
covered
light.
in bubbles too. What a mess!
EIEIO, squeaky clean at last.
The other animals peek in, giggling.
EIEIO, what a bubbly
rinse them clean,
blast.
one
The
by one.
happiest herd in all the
Squeaky
town.
clean and shining bright.
Old MacDonald's bath day, clean all around.
Bath day done. Happiest herd in town.